Hello, friends. We are studying William Shakespeare's play, The Twelfth Night. We were in Act 4, Scene 2 last time. We had completed about 70 lines, and now we are at line number 71. If you remember, in this previous part of the scene, Malvolio had been sent into a dark cell because they had declared him a fool, and a minister, means a parson, was sent to him. The parson was nobody but the clown, who was disguised as a minister, as a clergyman. So we continue further. The clown sings a song. The clown says, "Hey Robin, jolly Robin, tell me how thy lady does." So this is an old song, and the moral of which is that you can only trust women to be untrustworthy. Means you could never trust women. Malvolio, fool. This saying of word fool by Malvolio is disapproval. Clown. My lady is unkind, Purdy. Purdy means indeed. So he says, my lady Olivia is unkind to you. Then again Malvolio says, fool. Means you are talking nonsense. Clown. Alas, why is she so? The clown asks, why is my lady unkind? Then Malvolio, fool I say. Means you are a fool. You are talking nonsense. Clown. She loves another. Who calls her? Malvolio replies, good fool, as ever thou wilt deserve well at my hand, help me to a candle and pen, ink and paper. As I am a gentleman, I will live to be thankful to thee for it. So the clown demands some writing material and a candle, because he has been thrown into a dark room, so that Malvolio could write a letter to somebody. Clown, Master Malvolio. Malvolio, I, good fool. So Malvolio is pleased now, and he says, okay, you are a good fool. Clown, alas sir, how fell you beside your 5 wits? So the clown asks Malvolio, how did he become mad? So 5 wits, in Shakespearean time, they meant first one common sense, the other one is fantasy, third one is memory, fourth is judgment, and lastly imagination. So these were the 5 wits, and if anybody is devoid of these 5 wits, it means he is a mad person. Malvolio, fool, there was never man so notoriously abused. I am as well in my wits, fool, as thou art. So Malvolio says that he is not mad, but the other people, he is pointing at Maria and Toby and Andrew, that these people have created such situations that he has been declared fool. But he says, I am not fool, because if the clown is not fool, then Malvolio is no fool either. Clown. But as well, then you are mad indeed if you be no better in your wits than a fool. So the clown argues that, okay, if you compare yourself to a fool, then you are a fool, isn't it? So this is the witticism of the clown, Malvolio. They have propertied me. They have propertied means they have made fool of me. Keep me in darkness. Send ministers to me. Asses means they are asses, Maria and company, and do all they can to face me out of my wits. Face me means drive me out of my wits. So they have done everything to declare me mad. Clown. Advise. Advise here means think about. Think about. Advise you what you say, means think what you are saying. The minister is here because Sir Topas, who had come to talk to you, is here, and he will feel bad about it. Malvolio, Malvolio, thy wits the heavens restore, means God give you good sound judgment and good intelligence. Endeavor thyself to sleep, means try to sleep so that your mind takes rest and you come out of your madness. And leave thy vain bibble babble, it means stop talking nonsense. Malvolio, Sir Topus, clown, maintain no words with him. Good fellow, who I, sir, not I, sir. God be with you. And good Sir Topus, Mary, Amen. I will, sir, I will. So because Malvolio is not out in the light, he is in a dark room. So the clown again imitates Sir Topus and he says, God be with you. Malvolio, fool, 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 I say. Clown, alas, sir, be patient. So Malvolio keep on calling Feste for help, but Feste the fool requests Malvolio to be patient, means keep patience, keep quiet for some time. What say you, sir? I am sent for speaking to you, means I have been rebuked for talking to you. Malvolio, good fool, help me to some light and some paper. I tell thee, I am as well in my wits as any man in Illyria. So he says, just as all other people of Illyria are sane, sensible, they are not mad, so I am also not mad. Clown, well a day that you were, sir. So clown says, okay, that is that, but I really wish that you were sane. Sane is opposite of mad. Malvolio, by this hand I am good fool, some ink, paper and light, and convey what I will set down to my lady. It shall advantage thee more than ever the bearing of letter did. So he says, convey means deliver. Deliver this letter to my lady means Olivia, and it will benefit you. Clown, I will help you to it, but tell me true. Are you not mad indeed, or do you but counterfeit? So the clown is asking such a depressing question to Malvolio. So the clown knows that he is not mad, but still he is questioning him. Say, okay, I will bring this help, but tell me the truth. Are you not mad really, or you're just acting like a mad person? so this this will make Malvolio confused about his own sanity. Malvolio, believe me, I am not. I tell the truth. Clown, nay, I will never believe a madman till I see his brains. I will fetch you light and paper and ink. So clown says, okay, I will fetch you all the things which you want, but I really don't believe that you are not mad. Malvolio, fool, I will requite it in the highest degree, I prithee be gone. So Malvolio again repeats and says, okay, fool, I will give you reward of this help if you can fetch this help quickly. Clown sings a song. I am gone, sir, and anon, sir. Anon means quick, fast. I will be with you again in a trice. Trice means in a moment I will be back. Like to the old voice, your need to sustain means just as the devil or the devil's companion comes back, I will come back to sustain means support you. With dagger of lath. Lath is wood, means with a knife of wood in his rage and wrath. Rage means anger and wrath is also anger. Cries ah-ho to the devil like a mad lad. Mad lad means mad boy, means Malvolio. Pare thy nails dead. Adieu, goodman devil. So he says, okay, you keep your nails pared, and till then, goodbye devil. The scene ends here. Thank you, friends.